Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, quick video and a tutorial about this AI powerful fully featured end-to-end video editors website called Descript. So Descript is a popular website which you already know how to use, a popular video editor website that scores on the AI powered and end-to-end video editors with the maximum features and makes your video looks great and excellent. So let's get started. So what is Descript? Descript is more than just a tool. It's a creative powerhouse that we image how we work with videos and audio editing. You can see from the website, you can see lot of the video, then they call it the caption. Captions are the work, so which makes it easier to use. So let's get started. Who created this website or this was despicable AI powered website can do all this type of works? So the person, the co-founder of this website is called Palmpay. So we have like they work together, like two people work together and team up to create this script. So first person is Andrew Martin, the co-founder of the Groupon founder corporation. So Martin's vision was to create the tools that would make editing videos and audio files as simple as editing audios in a text document, which makes it more superb, right? So let's get started. A couple of features of this website: a video editor that works like a doc and slides. So what I define to like a good doc and slides. So no need to learn a new tools. This script works like the tools you've already learned. So there's no new tools, but the tools that you've learned, you've used before. So these are the same tips, these are the some tools that are here, but the only slight difference is that they are AI powered. Like for example, edit audios and videos by editing text, cut, copy, paste, type to generate words in your voice using AI speech. So that's something about this website. It is AI powered, which makes it more unique and special. So AI superpower is at every step. The first thing is at the clip. Descript AI editorial assistance tackles the tedium and leaves the creative stuff to you. And starting from the clip, the translation, the eye contact, the sound, the studio sound, and the remove filler words, which makes it okay. The green screen, the transcription, the caption, everything all in one tools, which makes it small. Now I'm talking about this one tools to create everything you want, get access to all these right tools just to create everything you want, starting from content, video content for YouTube, social media, or your website, or quick screen recording, epic videos on manifestos or clip from your webinar. Descript does it all for you. Get started with the podcast. From the podcast, you can easily use this website as that. It helps you with with a single click and with the use of the drag and drop. You can use this to edit and make your podcast look awesome. Then also get access to this, which is use the Descript AI rather to choose the moments or the most moments like both viral with just. So let's go to some other features about this website. So here are the features on this website. Gain access to video editing. Editing videos in Descript is an easy and using doc using our stock and slide. Also again, this tweet, which is the clips. AI pick your AI picks your best clip, your creative mix them up. Then also the caption, add subtitle to extend your page in a single click, and a transcription. Podcasting as well, multi-tracking audios, editing just like an editing test, rooms, record crystal clear podcast, and video on with anyone anywhere. You also do the screen recording instantly, instant captures, edit, and share screen or webinar record. You also get access to AI speech, which makes it more easier to use. So these are the AI features right here, which is the market slash audio market to promote. Get access to create clip, YouTube description, show note, and translation. And on the look good side, get access to red eye contact, the green screen, the automatic multicam, and video regenerate. Then the AI avatar. Then on the good sound level, get access to can edit for clarity, studio sound, remove filler words, and remove retakes and generate speech, which makes it more easier to use and awesome. Now let's talk about the price. Talk about the pricing. The pricing of the website, because the website has three plan. The plan for whatever you create, and the plan is between a year. You can make an annual plan and a monthly plan. So we're talking about the monthly plan. This is a monthly plan. You can see I just switch between the plan. We have the year plan and the monthly plan. So a monthly plan, you pay nothing less than $24 per month per user. At the same time, and you have access to the wide range of these services, which is 10 transcription hours per month. Then the export with smarter watermark free, and a lot more like that. Then on the creator, you pay nothing less than $39 per person per month. Then you unlock the advanced AI powered creative with some couple of features, which makes it awesome. Then on the business plan, you pay $70, which is per person and per month, with empower collaboration on your team, which makes it more awesome. They want the enterprise custom. They have to get back to their customer services just to get the price tag for that, which makes it easier. Then also back to the annual. If you want to make an annual subscription, then you can pay 12 from the hobbyist. Then from the creator, you pay 24. Then for business, then you pay 55. Then also for free, get started on your journey, on your creative journey with AI text editing, and give our AI tools pen. So you can also start with a free trial, but it's limited to all the features. There's limitation to all the features. So the best way to get the best version of this is just to make a single plan payment, and that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button on.